Trying to replace filter on Nordyne m1mb 077ABW furnace. I was not the person who removed it, so not sure how to install.
Have you replaced any part of your Nordyne furnace before? If so, how long ago?
I am new to the mobile home, so no.
How long has this been going on with your Nordyne furnace? What have you tried so far?
I just need to replace the filter.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No, just need to know how to install new filter.
Hello. The filter can be installed at one of the following 3 places in the system. 1. Behind the return air grill, usually in the hallway ceiling. It's about 18 by 26 inches roughly and has 2 tiny knobs or levers to open. 2. In a 1-inch wide slot beside the furnace. 3. Or inside the blower compartment of the furnace. If you would like the company to pay me for my work, locate the Finish and Rate Your Expert link near the top of your page and click on it to close the question. And enable follow-up at no additional charge. I appreciate your business. Post back for any follow-up you might need on the same dime, so to speak.
There is a panel on the front of the furnace. I cannot figure out how to install the filter and have the wire holder remain in place.
You have to remove the wire holder, place the filter and then refit the wire holder. It's time to locate the Finish and Rate Your Expert link near the top of your page and click on it to close the question. And enable follow-up at no additional charge. I appreciate your business. Post back for any follow-up you might need on the same dime, so to speak.
As stated, I don't know how to reinstall the wire retainer. I was not the one who removed the air filter, so I wasn't sure how it came out. Not sure how to reinstall.
There are many different ways they clip into place. You have to look closely and should be entirely obvious. They have little hooks or slots at each corner.
Customer attachment February 21, 2024, 28:10 a.m.
The back 2 bent wires poke into holes in sheet metal at the back of the open area. They will be difficult to see. And there is a clip at the front to hold the front down once the filter is installed.
I'm sorry, I just still don't understand what you're saying. I see 2 holes, but there's no way to get this wire into those 2 holes. I will just cancel this. It is not helpful at all.
Okay. Squeeze the wireframe end at the bent ends slightly and the wire end should poke into the holes easily.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.